In this chapter, we'll begin configuring the Office 365 directory sync within your JumpCloud organization. To configure the JumpCloud Office 365 directory sync, go ahead and log into your JumpCloud administrator account and navigate to the Directories menu on the left-hand side. In the Directories pane, you'll want to hit the green plus button at the top left and select Office 365. A slide-out pane will appear from the right-hand side, allowing you to begin configuring the Office 365 directory sync. Click the Authorize Office 365 Sync button in the right-hand pane to begin. This will open a new tab within your browser, navigating you to an Office 365 login. Here, you'll want to use your Office 365's tenant global admin account and password. This will then navigate you to the JumpCloud Office 365 directory sync page, which lists all of your current users within your Office 365 tenant. This new browser tab will appear at any time you first configure the directory sync, as well as during reactivation of the directory sync. That's it! You've just configured the JumpCloud Office 365 directory sync within JumpCloud.